Hey folks, attorney Therron Causey with McIntyre Elder Law coming at you from our Charlotte Uptown office. So I wanted to talk today a little bit about what are some of the most common issues that arise when you need to qualify for Medicaid to pay for long-term care. As you know, Medicare does not cover any sort of long-term care stay. So the question for most folks becomes, how do I pay for it, right? Well, you're looking at really either private paying or activating a Medicaid benefit if you could qualify. So some of the common issues that we might encounter when I meet with a prospective client is, number one, not having a general durable power of attorney in place. You might say, why is this important when you apply for Medicaid benefits? You've probably heard of something called a look-back period. Medicaid looks back at your assets for the previous 5 years when you apply for long-term care Medicaid. And the look back actually means that they're gonna look back at your financial records, statements, right, for the last 5 years, and you have to provide those to DSS, to the Department of Social Services. And unless your loved one has a power of attorney document, unless you have set that in place ahead of time, right, then there is no agent vested with the authority to access that information. And more than likely, you'll have to go to the bank and ask for those records. And it's always the path of least resistance where you have those legal documents already put in place. In the absence of those documents, you potentially face a guardianship action if the person is incapable of signing documents, right? If there's some sort of underlying condition that's resulted in, they're resulted in maybe capacity issues, right? Those are reasons why they might not have the legal competency to execute a legal document, and guardianship would be the answer in that case. Beyond that, so beyond having the foundational document in place, you might think about gift giving. Have I made any sort of uncompensated transfers, right? Have I sold anything for less than fair market value or tax value? Have I given gifts away? Medicaid does not care about the federal annual gift limit, $15,000 currently as of 2021. So it still applies, even though it might fall under that federal limit. Beyond that, I think one of the other last things I'd mention is the discussions with family, right? How often are you meeting with your family to talk about what documents are in place, where those might be kept? Are the people that your loved ones that you've appointed as decision makers, especially in emergency situations, are they aware of their intended role? And really having that conversation, not only, that's a tough conversation to have sometimes, but that not only sets up to preserve the family dynamic, but save potentially hundreds of thousands of dollars, where the average cost of care at skilled nursing is anywhere between $7,300 right now, resulting in about a $90,000 bill annually, right? So certainly something that discussion is worth your time and money. If you'd like to learn more about Medicaid planning, how to activate a Medicaid benefit ahead of a long-term care event, let us know. Give us a call at 704-749-9244 or reach out at mcelderlaw.com to schedule your free consultation today. Thanks.